Look at all of these doors and windows. Let's open them to see who's hiding inside. Starting with this window. It's a purple window, and there's a number 1. Let's pull the latch up and down and open the window. It's 1 purple pony. Now, can you help me find the purple crayon? Let's see. Is it this one? No. How about this one? Yes! Here is a purple crayon. And it sounds like there's something inside. Wow, it's a bunch of purple toys. Let's count to see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. My favorite is the purple butterfly. Next, we have this blue window. And there's a number 2. Let's turn this latch to the left. Now let's pull the window up. Look! There are 2 blue dogs inside. 1, 2. Do you see a blue crayon? Is this a blue crayon? No. How about this one? Yes, this is the blue crayon. Blue. Oh, it sounds like there's something inside here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blue toys, but my favorite is the reindeer. Oh, here we have a yellow door, and there's a number 3. Let's pull this latch up, open one door, and the other. We have 1, 2, 3 yellow cats inside. Now we need to find the yellow crayon. Do you see it? Is it this one? No. How about this one? Yes! This is the yellow crayon. Oh, let's see what's inside. Oh, wow! Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 yellow toys. Down here we have a red door, and there's a number 4. Let's open this lock by pulling it up and sliding to the left. Now, let's open the door. Oh, look! 1, 2, 3, 4 red rabbits. Help me find the red crayon. Is it this one? No. How about this one? Yes. This is the red crayon. Let's open it. Oh, look! There are 1, 2, 3 red toys. I think I like this fire truck the best. Our next door is a green door, and there's a number 5. Let's slide this lock to the left, pull it up, and open the door. Oh, I wonder who's inside. Oh, look! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 green frogs. Now we need to find the green crayon. Which one of these is the green crayon? This one! Green. Let's see what's inside. Oh, take a look at these green toys. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green toys. The frog is definitely my favorite this time. Let's take a look at our last door. It's an orange door, and there's a number 6. Let's pull this latch up, open one door, the other door, and look! There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fish. 6 orange fish. And our last crayon we need to open for today is the orange crayon. Orange! Let's open this one. Whoa! Let's count all of these orange toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. My favorite is the popsicle. I love popsicles. I had so much fun opening all of these doors, windows, and crayons with you. Let's play again soon. Bye!